Before I begin, I'd like to take a moment to introduce the four brand management experts that will be delivering the presentation today. We have with us Tess, Liam, Janelle, and myself, Jaden. And together, we represent Ascend Media. Now, Ascend Media has represented and delivered numerous brand management plans for some of the most well-recognized global corporations. And today, we will be delivering a brand management plan for Telstra. Now, like any good brand management plan, we have to start from the vision. And we've done just that, using a synthesis of ideas from the brand value, the brand mission, and the brand purpose. We've created the perfect Telstra brand vision in a single statement. And that statement is to be Australia's largest, fastest, and most reliable connecting network to help digitise consumers, small business, and enterprise nationwide. We aim to return Telstra to its former brand equity glory of $15.8 billion worth of brand equity by 2023. Telstra, it's how we connect.
As Australia's largest telecommunications provider, it is no surprise that Telstra, as a company, continuously seeks improvement and innovation in response to the growing and changing consumer market of Australia. To achieve this, Telstra has begun implementing a corporate strategy consisting of four main pillars or four objectives. For the first pillar, Telstra aims to address the need for a straightforward and transparent customer service experience among telecommunication companies to reduce any pain points. Telecommunication companies are now prioritizing the enhancement of their customer service to gain a competitive advantage among their competitors, as it is a main component of achieving customer retention. The goal is to begin transitioning from their current customer service system to a more digital-based and user-friendly system, allowing customers access to their services remotely without hassle. The second pillar focuses on establishing an infrastructure business unit called Telstra InfraCo, composed of Commercial, NBN Works, and Telstra Wholesale. Essentially, Telstra aims to improve their network connectivity by building higher quality infrastructures with domestic fiber optics, international subsea cables, and more, allowing the company to maximize and manage their services through better data connection. Pillar 3 is an aim to review and improve their operating model, focusing on empowering their employees while better serving their customers. Telstra aims to change their organizational structure to better focus on management and product development, decreasing the need for executive and management roles while elevating employees on the front line of customer service. The last pillar is a goal to ensure investments will be used to fund products and services that are close to the core of Telstra. This basically means that Telstra will work on cost reduction programs to maximize their assets. Telstra aims to achieve these strategies by 2022.
Telstra continuously leverages their spot as Australia's largest telecommunications provider, flaunting the number one position for the fourth year in a row, along with being dubbed Australia's most valuable brand. Research shows that many customers stay with Telstra for an extended period of time. Telstra may have been their only telco, though that wasn't always by choice. Some positive brand associations include stable and inclusive, with many long-term customers stating they connected with Telstra's Australian heritage. Whilst these accolades are impressive, customer service failures from past years continue to be apparent as long-term dissatisfaction. Negative brand associations include expensive and inflexible, with customer insights showing almost 1 in 5 customers surveyed after an interaction with Telstra did not rate their experience based on the current interaction, but on a negative experience preceding it. There were also people in regional rural areas who only can be with Telstra due to lower coverage of competitors. The Telstra brand resonance model pyramid is equally strong on both sides. While there is some synergy, there is not complete harmony between functional and emotional benefits that Telstra is striving to achieve and consumers' imagery and feelings about the brand. Whilst Telstra has achieved high brand awareness and customer loyalty, not all product attributes and imagery associated are positive. Whilst Telstra is the market leader in Australia in the telecommunication industry, its products and services face an increasing threat from competitors due to the highly saturated, competitive, and mature market. Telstra currently has the largest share of the telecommunications market. However, this share has been gradually declining for the past 5 years. Telstra must differentiate themselves and provide key information to customers. Telstra effectively currently uses price differentiation. Telstra's mobile phone and broadband plans are much higher cost than those of competitors. Telstra's two main competitors are Optus and Vodafone TPG. Optus is an Australian leader in telecommunications behind Telstra, delivering cutting-edge communications and entertainment services. Their competitive advantage predominantly stems from their lower cost point in comparison to Telstra. Vodafone came under fire a few years ago for poor network performance, but ever since, Vodafone has invested millions of dollars on upgrades. They now have very happy customers enjoying a 4G network that's being run on the very latest hardware. Whilst Vodafone have the least market share, they are the price leader with a world-class mobile network.
With the desire to reinstate Telstra as both the market leader and most valuable brand in Australia, several issues and opportunities have been outlined to enhance Telstra's market position, with consideration for existing brand objectives. Recommendations are developed with the desire to improve brand associations, enforce brand differentiation, and improve customer retention. Telstra has experienced significant service failures in past years, which in some cases has developed dissatisfaction with previous and existing customers. In developing improved brand associations, Telstra should consider an advertising and public relations campaign. The campaign would reinforce key characteristics of the Telstra network, establishing brand associations and service stability, flexibility, and inclusivity. Establishing such characteristics with Telstra will counter existing negative associations, which may have developed in periods of service failures, while reinforcing Telstra's status as Australia's premium telco. Furthermore, a public relations campaign holding and sponsoring community charity events will develop a positive consumer perception of Telstra, while also reinforcing the inclusive nature of the company. Through utilising customer insights and competitive trends, Telstra will be able to improve their brand associations and reduce negative connotations which may have developed in recent years. Telstra consistently expresses their points of difference from competitors, outlining network benefits in relation to speed and coverage. As a means of providing new value for existing and future customers, Telstra should market themselves as experience providers. Utilising Telstra's existing benefits program, Telstra Plus, customers receive monthly entertainment bonuses when recharging or paying a bill, in the form of tickets, product benefits, or lifestyle incentives. For some inner-city mobile users, coverage may not differentiate their decision between network providers. Therefore, Telstra could use their premium presence to market themselves as an experience provider. The repositioning of Telstra Plus will be publicised through sales promotion and advertising campaigns, expressing the premium nature of the Telstra network, which has fast speeds and extensive coverage, while also offering premium lifestyle opportunities. For thousands of customers, Telstra isn't just a mobile network, but a symbol of Australian heritage and innovation, with a strong connection with customers. As research suggests, the relationship has begun to fade as the market has become increasingly saturated. With the intention to return Telstra's brand equity rate to 7%, they must develop strong, lasting relationships with their consumers. Generating improved customer retention revolves heavily around customer perceived service quality and customer satisfaction. In Telstra's case, this would reinforce the need to balance brand performance with customer expected performance. With the shift to majority online customer service, a relationship will need to be built without physical interaction. Therefore, Telstra should employ a strategy that makes customers feel like they are a part of Telstra, pushing Australia forward into the next stage of mobile networks. Such a strategy will be based upon an advertising campaign that will educate consumers on the innovative nature of Telstra and the desire to be the most technologically advanced telco in Australia. Expressing Telstra's mission will develop customer perception of brand performance while also expressing the high-performance nature of the Telstra company. With the development of our 3 recommendations, we believe Ascend Media will develop improved brand associations, enforce brand differentiation, and improve customer retention, with the overarching goal of re-establishing Telstra as market leader, while remaining Australia's most valuable brand.